Alright, y'all, so we finna get ready to head to the pit in Austell. It was supposed to happen, what's it, last weekend? But while we was in North Carolina, some shit happened, and when we got back, it was canceled. So we had to find a new spot. They found a new spot Thursday, got it approved Friday, and now we're having it today. Real quick with the turnout. So yeah, man, hopefully we have a good turnout. I know the flyer from the last event had like 20,000 shares. We definitely weren't gonna be able to fit 20,000 people in that spot, but. All right, so I was told to pull up at 12. So we woke up this morning, we rushed, loaded the car, got the truck ready, got the trailer. I was told to be here at 12.
This is probably the first time I've ever been on time. This is like before time. What do they call it? Like what? Is it BCC? Yes, this is before Christ. So
you said BCC.
See, you was trying to think something else though. Like he was somewhere else with that. Nah, BC. So we was here BC.
Oh no, you thinking about BBC, Big Black Clock.
No, see that's what he was thinking.
No, I said BCC. You BBC is the bad one. BCC. You were thinking of BC before Christ.
Yes, before Christ we are here. As y'all see, I'm usually the one that's like gotta do everything, but as y'all see, we are here. I still have to do a lot to the car. Not a lot, but you know, put everything on. I gotta do the coolant part. I gotta do the CPR part. I gotta put the wheel liner on, and then it's gonna be like doing the little shotgun shit y'all like. But yeah, we is here. I can kind of show y'all like, well, maybe if this turn, let me see.
Yeah, we just gonna turn it.
Yeah, look, okay, so I'm gonna show y'all a little. But yeah, I'll show y'all the pit. So now you just gotta wait till people pull up. Oh, and if you are new, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. We're on the road to 100K subscribers still, type shit. But what the
Alright, go! They want to take me to jail. Just make me do their fucking job. I ain't turning myself in. I'm going on the job.
Yo. Yo.
Awesome game. Hey, God, damn. You can do this by yourself.
Football, get low on that motherfucker.
AJ said he can outslide Kam. You don't gotta make no shitty face. You don't gotta make no shitty face. Look how dog looking at you like, yeah, I'm finna spank that little baby.
Whoever loses has to get a ball head. I'm trying my hair out and get some anyway. I ain't help you, goddamn. Hold up, I got you. I got you, bro. You know what I'm saying? Come sharp, you know what I'm saying? We over here way the fuck out of Atlanta, but we in Atlanta too. It's good as shit, you know what I mean? Yeah, that bit right there. Yes, sir. That's what we eating today, you feel me? Fuck with me.